Ever wonder how your car breathes? The secret lies in the intake valve. Today, we're unlocking the role this small but crucial component plays in making your engine run smoothly. The intake valve is responsible for letting air and fuel into the combustion chamber during the intake stroke of a four-stroke engine. As the piston moves down, the intake valve opens, allowing a precise mixture of air and fuel to enter the cylinder. Once the cylinder is full, the valve closes, sealing the combustion chamber for the next stroke. Timing is everything. If the intake valve opens too early or too late, the engine won't get the right amount of air and fuel, which can lead to poor performance or even engine damage. That's why precise valve timing is crucial. It ensures that the valve opens exactly when needed for optimal airflow and fuel intake. In modern engines, technologies like variable valve timing, VVT, help fine-tune when the intake valve opens and closes, adapting to different driving conditions. The performance of your engine heavily depends on how well the intake valve works. If the valve isn't opening enough, or if it's clogged, it restricts airflow, reducing power and efficiency. A perfectly functioning intake valve allows the engine to breathe better, which translates to smoother acceleration and improved fuel efficiency. So, next time you think about your engine's performance, remember that the intake valve plays a huge role in how your car runs. Keep it in good condition, and your engine will thank you. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more automotive insights.